Hi everyone and welcome to this new Adobe Live show. Hey Catherine.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Good to have you back. This is the second day and you will also be back tomorrow. But if you missed the first episode, I really invite you to watch the replay. It's already available on the YouTube Creative Cloud channel. We'll be live for 2 hours with Catherine working on this app. So we will explain again what this is for the people who couldn't join us yesterday. And as a reminder, make sure to be on behance.net/live. This is where the full experience is happening. And we have a contest tab. Today the theme, Catherine, is in-car experience. You know, when you have the dashboard. So we will see what they will create. Share your prototype. All the rules are in the contest tab. And we will review your entries during the show. And you can get a chance to win a Creative Cloud subscription. And we will also do some random giveaways and these amazing socks with the XD logo on it. And this is essential. Like all good UX designers should wear these socks to be more productive and creative.
Are they used? Because I don't see the tags.
I removed the tag,
Okay.
but they are not used. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't think. Maybe Gus slept with these socks yesterday. Oh yeah, he used it. He slept with it.
Okay.
That's why. Yeah, it smells terrible. It smells terrible. So thanks for watching. Look at, we have Omar. We are live from San Francisco. Let us know where you're from. Catherine, if you want to introduce yourself, maybe.
Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm a web designer, and these days I'm going to create an iPhone 10 mobile app, which is called Vox. This name is brainstorming from yesterday.
Yeah, we brainstormed about the name and also the logo has been created by one of you. I want to say Simon, but it's not Simon. It's Steve Dixon. Yeah, Steve Dixon created the logo yesterday.
Yeah.
And he won the XD socks because he did an amazing logo.
Right.
So should we show your screen so you can guide us through the app?
Yes.
Maybe you can explain again what is the goal of the app. You know.
No problem. This app is called Vox, and this is a personal recording studio mobile app. So the basic function is for you to record your voice note or some readings or your hobbies like singing, like whatever you want to record, and keep it for yourself as well as share with others. And you can also save others' recording. So I'm going to go with my screens. So this can be our launch screen with sign in and sign up buttons. But if you are not ready to give your information, you can also continue as guest. And this is our landing page, which is a page with the album list. So you get inspirations from here, and also you can listen to them, choose what you want, and kind of understand how this app goes. And here are some following unfinished screens with the album list details. So I'm going to create the track list and the descriptions, also the reviews of the album today. So here comes our main screens. Here is the recording screen where you can record, like just tap on the button, and you can also add your background music, and you can review the script. And here is the whole process of the recording process. I did some homework yesterday because these elements on these screens are all like almost the same. So I just did a simple copy paste and changed some like background color. Also the buttons, and add these done button. Also here will be a little cross to cancel. So we'll add this later today.
Awesome. And we have Alex watching from New York. I see Laura from Colombia, Matthews from Brazil,
Germany.
Margaret from New York. We have Osvaldo from Chicago, Gary from Montreal, Hector from Mexico, Pasakorn from Bangkok.
Oh, Bangkok.
Oh, it must be very, very, very late.
Yeah.
Nighttime in Bangkok. We have Michael Lemberger from Munich in Germany. Yeah, thanks all for watching. and
Australia.
Farouk from Austria.
Yeah.
Not Australia. I know. Big difference, especially during winter. How did you do the waveform? Is asking Matthias. How did you do this?
Oh, I use the way you taught me
So yesterday. So yeah, you can watch yesterday, but we use a repeat grid. So
yes, repeat grid.
You drew one stroke, repeat grid, and a mask.
Yes.
Good
and
job.
the mask is under object with mask with shape.
Yeah, so it's like the concept of clipping mask in Illustrator,
Yes.
but in this case it's not destructive. So yeah, at any time she can come back and modify
Add
the
it.
object
Yes.
of the mask.
Mm-hmm.
People from France, Turkey, and Peru. Okay,
Mexico.
awesome. And Nigeria and Africa. I think we have all the continents, which is awesome. And except maybe Australia. Maybe we'll see. Maybe we have someone Australia, New Zealand.
Australia, New Zealand.
Maybe. Let's see. But keep the questions coming. Okay, it's also a session for you, and Catherine will be happy to answer all your questions. So what's the plan for today, Catherine?
I'm going to fill up these boxes, and I'm gonna continue with these almost empty screens with some information given, and trying to create the prototype, like the flow of how this app is going. And also, here I have two options of the color palette.
Option A or option B? So
Yeah.
A is more like
Option
a rainbow.
is like a vibrant,
Vibrant.
young, bright.
Okay.
And B is like a very calm, lightweight, and a little bit therapeutic,
Therapeutic. Oh,
Yeah.
organic.
organic. I don't know.
Do you want to ask our friends in the chat which one they prefer?
Yes, please
Okay.
give me feedback. And,
Do you think we can create a straw
vote
poll?
on A or B?
I saw a nice one yesterday. Paul, I think you were using a new strawpoll.com instead of. The UI is much better. Sorry, strawpoll.me, but you have a competitor now. It looks much better. So they will create a poll. They start answering in the chat. But so people watching, monitor the chat. We will put a link where you'll be able to vote for A or B.
Everybody said B.
No. You will be surprised because the human brain is a mess. So
Okay.
usually it's 50-50.
Okay.
You know, it's like, do you want to vote for Republicans or Democrats? Usually it's 50-50. You know,
Okay.
it's just the human brain. Yeah.
Okay.
That's how it works. Oh, here, you see, there is a link in the chat. Okay, the strawpoll.com. Click on this link, and this is where I want you to vote.
Straw poll. Cool.
The vote is anonymous. Don't worry. If you vote for A or B, like.
And I also have some
need to vote
little
too.
icons. Yeah. Which one do you like?
I don't want to tell because it can influence the audience.
Finally, I'll know.
We'll see. Which one do I like? Actually, I'm not sure. Tell me about your audience again.
Audience?
Yeah. User persona. It's from Meredith, right?
It's for Meredith, but for most of the people, I mean, it can be very wide range of user. So I think from every stage of age, as well as from different background, different countries, different
Cultures.
environment. So I would say it can be a very general color
Okay.
without too many vibrance. But I don't know.
Let's make sure to put the link. Yeah, again, thank you. We give you 2 more minutes, and you will choose between A and B. It's almost a tie for the moment, almost 50-50, but we will see if it evolves.
I always use the Photoshop for create the app layouts, but what Adobe software do you recommend?
Yeah, it's a good question from Matthews, right? Yeah, Matthews Barbarossa.
Yeah. I'll use XD.
So XD is new also. Like,
Yeah, I mean, it depends on what you do. As like for me, before I was a production artist, so with the very accurate alignment, I would use Photoshop because it is really, really professional at details. But if you would like to get it very fast, I would recommend like XD. So it depends
also
on what you do.
They need to understand that XD is not necessarily, the intent is not necessarily to design screens for production. Okay, it can be to validate an experience, could be just a wireframe. You can go until the UI stage and export elements. But yeah, it's more to validate your experience, have it tested by your users, do multiple iteration. And I really invite you to try XD. You can try it for free if you visit xd.adobe.com, adobe.xd.adobe.com, and you will notice that it's very easy to use and very fast. So when you have ideas, you can really apply them very fast and do multiple testing. Okay, are you ready to see the results? Okay, we can display my screen now.
I see.
B.
Okay, B.
B is winning.
Yeah.
And Stropole is so smart, look at that. A is with the vibrant color and
Yes.
B is green.
B is green.
And if we look at your color themes, okay, if we switch to your screen now, the same.
Okay.
So smart.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so B is the winner. Thanks for voting.
And B. But if you want me to do some like simple A/B test,
Yeah.
I also can do that. So now I'm going to create my detail screen.
Okay. Are you okay with the B color theme, by the way? Do you feel good about it?
I'm feeling good.
You don't have to follow
Yeah.
us, you know. Like,
Okay.
if you say no, I prefer the average. Okay, Catherine.
Then what's the meaning of the poll?
Yeah, but this is not a democracy. You know?
Oh yeah.
This is you. You are the only. You are the dictator
This
of
is
your design.
me. This is mine. So.
Okay, so can you explain again what will be on this screen?
Okay, so here is what I'm thinking about. On this gray box would be my album cover image.
Oh,
And here would be a little bit of gradients so that I can put on the text without hard to read. Yeah.
I see.
And these little icons could be favorite, comment, and maybe share and download. So, and on this white space, I'm going to put a track list.
Okay.
The soundtrack of the album. So I'm now working on the album name.
Hi, Nicodemus. Thanks for joining. Let us know where you're from. And let us know in the chat also if you are a design student or professional graphic designer, UX designer. Just to... so we know who is watching.
Yeah.
They are watching you. And so you're using the typeface SF Pro. Yeah.
Yes, SF Pro.
Is it for San Francisco, I guess? Huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
San Francisco. Yeah. Absolutely.
It's used by Apple, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we have Margaret, she's a student. We have Farouk, who's a developer, actually. Interesting.
Oh,
Osvaldo is a UX designer. We have
Coder.
Kuldeep, who is also a design student.
yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for watching. Web design students. Edward, senior designer from LA. Wow, awesome.
Web design
I should share your
students.
work.
Can you tell me your school? Which school are you studying?
If you want to share the school,
Yeah. Because
it's a good idea.
I also would like to know, because when I, at the beginning of this year, I was looking for a design, art school, because I almost lost my job.
Almost.
Yeah. But luckily, I got another job. So
So you are
So
ready
I-
to go back to school.
yeah.
I see.
Mm-hmm.
So So we have someone from Clackamas Community College. Okay.
MIT Institute of Design, India. Nice.
In India. Wow,
Yeah.
cool deep, okay. Sean, you're a magazine designer, so
Music
Sean,
producer,
make sure to come back
Alex.
next week, because this is the theme of next week.
Magazine?
Adobe Live Show about editorial design.
Laura, you're a graphic artist, video producer, and
Editor
editor.
and musician.
Musician.
Ah, yeah, she played the drums.
Nice.
She plays the drums. We saw that when she shared a picture last week. She took a picture with drumsticks. So you might know.
Cool. I'm confusing with typing.
Yeah, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for my text because it's white.
It's white again.
Yeah.
So I would use the select tool and see what's going on.
Okay.
It's so that you like to type white on white.
No. It's
no,
just the
I
last.
get it.
Okay. The last one is white, so I think it's remember my
Exactly.
voice.
Oh, yeah. It's something actually. It's a very good point.
Yeah.
I can show you how it works
I think
because it's something that not a lot of people know.
Mm-hmm.
So, Paul, if we can quickly switch to my screen, I can show you. So I will. Okay, this is my first line, and for this one we will use Acumen Pro, semi-bold, do something bluish. Here we go. And this is my second style. And we do something here.
Are you making character styles?
So you can make character styles, but I would say that this is a stage 2. It's just to show how the text tool works. So Catherine, if you want to see.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say I want to create a new line,
Mm-hmm.
but I want the first style. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you just have to select it, and when I select the text tool and type, it doesn't work, you see?
Mm-hmm.
It's fascinating. Okay, so let me try again.
You need to
I did
click
this.
into the.
I
edit
don't
mode.
think so. It wasn't the case. Okay, they changed the behavior. Okay, no. Okay, so let's click into.
Ah no.
Wow. Okay, so they changed the behavior.
You can copy and paste that style.
I can copy the style,
Yeah, copy. And then select the,
and then I type something else,
and then, right, yeah.
and pass appearance. Okay. Oh, and it wasn't there before. So maybe that's why they changed the behavior. So they make it more obvious. We will ask Tom tomorrow, who is the developer of XD.
Okay.
He will be like tomorrow. We will directly ask him.
Oh, yay.
Okay.
He'll be like, Tom, what have you done?
Get your act together.
Yeah.
But you can underline that text now.
And now you can underline, thanks to Tom. You know, and it's smart
Where is
because
the underline? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And
you can create character styles. So in the assets, I can create one here, and now if I select this text, I can switch between the two styles. And what's cool is that I can edit the style and it will change it everywhere in all my screens.
This is cool.
that's pretty cool.
Oh, could you please show where is the underline?
Yes, so you select your text and now it's here.
Ah, I see. Okay, cool.
It's new from yesterday.
Oh, cool.
Another thing they snuck in is changing from point text to area text.
Oh yeah, which is something that we used yesterday. Remember, Catherine, when we went too far?
Mm-hmm. Oh, the
And Catherine,
paragraph
she already
text and
noticed
point
that.
text.
So now you can click on here to
Mhm.
create a block of text and resize.
Mm-hmm.
Super useful.
Nice.
Okay, thank you, Paul. Well, I learned something, you know, because I remember the first behavior. You would select a block of text and it will copy the appearance in the memory.
They should
So
have
the next,
kept that.
I know, maybe it was confusing actually. I like because if you learn the shortcut, which is copy and to paste the appearance, I guess it's yeah, Command Option V. I think it's fast, using.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of shortcuts, so I get it. So Laura, yeah, Command R is supposed to be the shortcut for the repeat grid. Yeah, to create a repeat grid, because they were confused with Command R.
Oh, Command R.
Yeah.
Okay.
R like repeat.
Cool. I'm creating another repeat grid content. Let's see how it goes.
So can you select the stroke here? Yeah, can you just make it more dark so because it doesn't show very well on the.
Okay.
It's just for friends watching.
How about
There we go.
this?
It's
Cool.
perfect. Thank you. So yeah, so repeat grid, it's really one of the core tool of XD. We use it all the time. Oh, nice.
Really?
Yeah, I like it bold. And it was bold.
Okay.
One, although we don't care. We don't really care about the other, but yeah, it was bold. So repeat grid, and a lot of time I see users, they just select one item and they create the repeat grid, but you can do also like Catherine. You directly create a repeat grid from 5 or 6 items, like text blocks, stroke, rectangle. So you select everything and you say, okay, this is my item, and you create the repeat grid. Here we go.
Oh, I should use the
Command R.
Nice.
Nice, look at that.
Ooh.
She's so fast.
And I'll go with the...
Hi,
space with
Kyrillos, son
zero.
of Kyrios. Thanks for joining from Antique Greece. What are we doing? So we started yesterday working on prototyping an experience of an app that we called Vox, and the idea is to record your voice. It could be for singing something,
Singing something, voice note,
voice note.
reading.
Because you can also consume, like there's a social aspect where you can play voice recordings from other users.
Yes.
From your family.
Yes. Also, I think it's for people who have, for example, sing as a hobby, or people who is a professional singer, because they can always enjoy themselves.
A cappella. Yeah, and also if you are a music composer.
Yes.
Sometimes you have ideas, and
Yes,
just want
you
to,
have a note. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think for now I need some track names.
And writers too, like you have.
And the writers too.
Yeah.
And they are in Adobe Live album.
Looks good, no?
Okay.
Very clean. So stay tuned if you just joined. We'll do some giveaways. We'll give away some XD socks. We also invite you to participate in the contest, so make sure to check the contest tab. Okay, next to the chat. The theme of the day is in-car experience.
Track name, singing
So you
in
can
the shower. Okay.
Download the templates. So that's a template. So here it's just an illustration to show you where is the screen in the car.
Sorry.
And you need to design this experience with at least 3 artboards. You connect the artboards and you can share them using the publish prototype feature. It will create a web link so we can access your prototype. Okay, but all the rules are in the contest tab next to the chat tab. Okay, and at the end of the show we will ask Catherine which prototype she prefers, and you can win a 1-year Creative Cloud subscription, the full one, with XD, Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, InDesign, all the creative apps, plus Typekit.
My cat mewing.
It's because we have we have music in the background.
Oh, I like that music.
And one of the music is the cat song. You can hear a cat mewing.
Yeah.
That's why. Hi, Juani Garcia. Welcome back. So we invite you to share prototypes. Maybe I will just show one, so this is one entry, but we will review all of them at the end. Uber press start to driverless experience. Oh, interesting. Fingerprint with a Uber-like. Oh, this is a prototype that you can actually present to Uber. Looks like the scenic route to Chinatown. Interesting. So this is a scenario with what's the name? Autonomous car. You know, that can take you somewhere without a driver. And Uber is investing in it. Yeah. So keep sharing your prototypes. Sucks.
What did I do here? I can't get...
What are you doing? What's happening?
I don't want this gradient here.
Ah, you don't want the gradient?
No, I don't want the... I want the gradient to be like from the bottom up to the top, but...
Can I check? Can I analyze the...
Yeah, I think
I can be your XD doctor.
Oh, here.
Oh, you found it.
I got it, yeah. Thank you.
Good job, Kelly. So what is at the top here? Can you remind me?
Here are, let me think, favorite, which is like a heart.
Ah, number of likes, okay.
Yes, and here, this is comment, a box of talking.
Talking box.
Talking bubble. Here would be...
Plays.
Share.
Oh, shared.
What did you...
Oh, number of times it has been played or...
Oh, time played.
I don't know.
I think I should use that.
Okay.
And here is the download.
And download. Oh yeah. Offline download.
Or let me change download to time of play, because some people is really sensitive to the copyright. Something like that. They don't want their voice to be used elsewhere. Yeah.
Isaac is asking which version of XD is this demo on. Can you select some text, just Catherine? Oh, I can tell you already. I can tell you she's using the new XD 3.0 because she can underline the text. And also when you draw the circle,
like
you were able to change the stroke position. So stroke position is also something new. I can quickly show you what this is if you don't know. Let me go back here to my stupid artboard. So let's say you have a shape. Here we go. And I will add a stroke of 20. So if you look at this circle, it has a dimension of 250 by 250. Okay, this is the size dimension of the shape. And this is, the stroke is inner stroke, okay, inside the shape. Then outer stroke, now it's outside, but the dimension of the shape hasn't changed. And it can be also centered. And yeah, it looks like nothing, but super important for designers. And one note on this, and we mentioned it yesterday, if you export this as a SVG, so how you can do that? You can do on any element of the screen, Command E or Control E to export, and select SVG, okay? So SVG is a standard that doesn't support inner stroke, outer stroke, so XD will take care of it and convert the dimensions so you don't have to, don't freak out, we take care of it. Oh my God, there is a tip. Oh my God. Oh my God. If you paid attention, there was something on my screen. I have to leave the studio, Catherine.
No, no, please.
Why, Catherine?
I
Did they pay attention?
I didn't mean it.
Did they notice or no? Maybe not, but I'm sure they will. No, they can use the. They can rewind. I don't think they noticed. There was a huge tip on my screen. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay.
Zachary didn't notice. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh my god.
David asked, did the submission get through?
David, don't worry. If you use the submit form, okay, I will let you know, David. Yes, actually, David, I've shown it as an example. And David so far is the only one who submitted something during this show.
Cool.
Okay, so David, so far you are the winner.
Cool.
But viewers, they still have 1 hour to submit something. No one noticed? Come on. Oh my god. There's a big spoiler. Oh, Jan-Erik, you noticed. Okay, that's good.
Okay, I have a question. How can I jump out of the loop that I keep using white text on white background?
Yeah, use the text style. I think it's...
But at the beginning when I'm typing, how can I set the text color?
Huh. And I'm confused because we just try. It used to be just selecting another text block, and it will keep the appearance. But now it changed.
Yeah.
No, as we will ask Tom tomorrow
Okay.
if he shows up.
Okay.
So Tom is one of the creator of XD. We can ask him what's happening. Matthias, you noticed too. Okay. And it's good. You have an advantage watching this episode. You have an advantage for tomorrow if you notice the spoiler. So Juani is asking, so will you guys sing once the app is ready? Do you want to sing just to test the app?
You don't want to hear my voice, my singing. No, that's terrible.
Yeah,
I think it will hurt your
tomorrow.
ears.
Tomorrow we will do a test, and Catherine will sing a sample.
Okay. And
you know what we can do tomorrow? We can do a live preview. We can preview the prototype live on the iPhone.
On the iPhone.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll try that tomorrow.
Cool.
And she will sing. And, yeah. Thanks, Jan-Erik, for remembering me, my music career. Thanks to you. Jan-Erik is my music manager in Norway.
Oh. Nice to meet you. Don't rest our
love. Yeah, it's
okay.
It's my new single.
Sorry, I keep misspelling. Rasterize. No.
Don't rasterize.
Rasterize. Or love.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have alarms built in the app?
A what?
The fake text.
Lorem ipsum?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. So I need to repeat this sentence again and again.
Yeah, or you can take a lorem ipsum from a website.
Okay.
That's fine, but or you can repeat like this.
Yeah.
I think it works too.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Cool Lip, you love singing? Okay. If you want to record your voice and share with us some songs, just share the links in the chat.
Yes.
There's a weird music somewhere in the studio. I guess they are editing a movie next door. That's why.
Oh,
That's okay.
this is good. I'm going to create the reveal page.
Which one?
You know,
the reveal. What is it?
The concept of these 3 pages is like the header image won't move, but when you slide the content will slide.
Oh
left.
yes, I see. So that's why you have the
see?
3 dots.
Yes, that's
see.
why I put the pagination here. Just want to remind people that you can see more details of this album, and I'll put this with a darker color.
Mm-hmm.
This is your current on page 1.
James is saying, Michael, I thought when you create a new text block, it puts lorem ipsum in. In Illustrator, yes. It's very recent. Let me see in XD. No. But let me show you a website. So if we go to adobexd.uservoice.com, you can, there is a section about bugs, if you have a bug, and a feature request. Okay, so if we go in feature requests, and you can search, so I will type lorem ipsum, pretty sure someone addressed that. Here we go. When creating a text field, automatically fill in with lorem ipsum. So this is the way you can exchange with the Adobe XD team. So someone in the community said, okay, I really want, like when I create a text, exactly what you did, to fill in with lorem ipsum automatically with dummy text. And then you can vote. So if you think that this is a good idea, you can come here and vote. And the more votes we get, and then at some point you will see some XD product manager saying, okay, now we're taking this into consideration. It should be in the next release. Okay, so don't hesitate to visit this website and start chatting with the team.
Cool.
Osvaldo is asking, so is this week UX and UI? Yes, Osvaldo. It's this week is about UX and UI. Next week will be about editorial design.
Cool.
So graphic design with print applications.
Adobe Live is the best show on the internet.
Oh,
I agree.
thank you, Joshua. It's a good show thanks to people like Catherine. Yeah?
Thank you for having me.
It would be just me and Paul. It would be very boring.
What you're gonna do every day? Like,
What do you mean?
if you only you and my
If it's only me and Paul training?
Yeah.
I don't know. What you mean? He would do some push-ups, for sure.
Okay. And some burpees. Is that what they call it? I don't know.
Oh yeah, what was that?
Yeah. It's like a push-up with a squat.
Oh yes,
jump.
yes. He can do everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. P-train.
So I'll put random pick name on my reveal list. Here is how to pronounce the name. Jeunesse Rabat. Is that the name?
Journesh.
Journesh.
This one is not easy. Where are you from? Journesh or Yornay? Actually, I'm stupid. I can click on your name and sometimes it will show where you're from, depending on what you entered in your profile. From Slovenia. Okay. So I don't speak Slovene, so I don't know how to pronounce this.
Pronunciation.
Janes.
Sorry.
Thanks for watching. It's very late in Slovenia.
Yeah, it's pretty late.
Must be almost 2 a.m.
This album is amazing.
Just imagine the G as a Y. Okay. Yanei. Oh, like Sergey. Yanei. Okay.
Oh,
Got it now. Thank you.
you. okay. Learned something.
It's 1 a.m. like in Vienna. Oh, okay. Ah, you put some names of the viewers. It's awesome.
Yes, that's why I'm asking how to pronounce it.
And Farouk, you're in Vienna. Wow. Beautiful city.
Oh, it's already midnight in France. I'm gonna do another magic stuff.
Yeah, again, she's selecting all the items.
Ooh.
Do you need some avatar pictures of people from the chat? I can work on that.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
I have some, but I think it's definitely not enough for today. So do we use their names and avatar together, or just
We can mix everything, don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'll just pick some avatars from the chat because we have
So I'll just
some good
put
ones.
Andre and Jan and Deep. Or
How many pictures do you
please.
need, Catherine?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6?
6 in total.
Okay, it's coming.
Oh, Dios.
Did we use airdrop yesterday? Yeah, we used it. Yeah, it worked.
Just make sure I don't spell it wrong. Laura.
Oh, Juani, nice picture, Juani. Okay, and who else?
Okay. I'm gonna put this layer back. Okay. I think I'm done with all my screens. The next thing is we put in contents. Oh, first of all, let me check on something.
So it's good because we will show a feature that we have never shown.
So after you record your stuff, after you hit done, and I would like to show you a finished screen that you can save this record to your album or just delete it, or you can choose which album you want to put this track in. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, I'm going to
I see.
create a confirm page.
So if you want to quickly go in airdrop, I will,
Okay.
Okay, I see you.
Yep.
Here you go.
Thank you.
So if you open the zip file,
This one?
yeah, this one. So open the folder. So you can
cool.
select all of them.
Let me drag my board here.
Yeah,
Okay,
so select all of them. And drag and drop on the first blue one. Here.
Ooh,
So it automatically populates everything in the list.
cool.
And you can do the same with text.
With text.
Yeah.
Oh,
So-
like these.
Exactly. So you can
names
have
and
like a copy editor working on fake names, or
Mhm.
let's say you have a text files.
Mhm.
Like you know that in 50% of your apps you design during the year, you use names. So you can create just once a text file with all the names,
Mhm.
and if you drag and drop the text file on a text block in a repeat grid, it will populate the text everywhere.
Ooh. So what kind of format?
Just text.
Just text, okay.
Just text. No text formatting. Okay,
Okay.
like plain text.
Okay,
And one per line.
okay,
That's it.
okay. Nice. I like it.
So yeah, so it's a good practice if you want to, if you see that you always have the same repetitive text when it comes to content or even avatars. It's good to have a list ready, you know, with pictures and text.
Okay. Since we have decided our color palette, I'll put this into the
Oh yes, good idea. Oh.
yeah.
What? How do you do that?
I select them all and add like
Oh, you can do multiple selection. And
yes.
Okay. Learning something.
So I'm gonna use the green color for this artboard.
Okay.
Yeah. Pick one.
Stay tuned. We'll
Ace.
give away XD socks very soon. Stay tuned. It's coming.
Cool.
I use it for the artboard. Okay.
Yes.
The green.
And in this green, I'm thinking maybe people can put their album cover in it and
Oh yes.
yeah, and add their tags, descriptions, albums, and so on. But if they have picked the album here, so we can skip that step.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can also get rid of it, but I don't really recommend it because your voice is really good.
Armando, you say that you improved your last project and sent to the contest. Yeah. If you updated it with new screens or experience, yeah, feel free to share. It's good also to see the evolution for us and for the viewers.
This is nice. I would say I forgot the.
Yana is saying it should be a requirement for those who win the socks to actually wear them and post a picture with the Adobe XD hashtag. So actually there is a, if you check on Twitter the Adobe Live hashtag, you will see some of them. You will see some socks, some weird pictures. I saw some yesterday. Yeah.
Do you sell the
I
socks?
will do a quick search and show you. No, we don't sell the socks. The only way to get them is either to meet the XD team randomly in the street or to watch Adobe Live.
Cool.
Only way.
I'm gonna use one of the avatar from here.
Here, for instance, if you look at on Twitter, we have Alexandre. He won poster illustrations on Adobe Live. And Alexandre is a big fan of Adobe Live and the XD socks. What's happening here? What?
But they,
It's like French
I
concours.
think Paul with Paul did the same thing with Mark this morning.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So I don't know what happened, but I think this can be Adobe Live Socks Week. It's so green. I like it.
Yeah.
It's good for my eyes.
So green.
Yeah.
With the aneric. You picked the aneric.
Yes. I would say it go back to black. What happened?
Yeah, you see, there is a new behavior with
Yeah.
I need to understand what happened.
I think
I will check the. I will ask the XD team. I will get you an answer for tomorrow.
Okay.
I will ask them.
I'm wondering.
They definitely changed something.
Did you guys put a AI in it so it has its own
Maybe.
emotion. And
Maybe
it
there's
will
an AI.
act differently with different people.
But if the AI is, if you type text on white, then the text is white, then yeah, maybe we need to revisit the AI. Maybe it's not that intelligent, not that smart.
Change this color to a darker one. Okay, so you can tap this to
And
add
do
your
you use
album
sometimes
color.
for opacity do you know the shortcuts?
Opacity?
Yeah, there is a good
I don't
trick.
know.
So if you select the text block here and put it black,
Okay.
here we go, then you can type on your keyboard, try 9876.
Oh, it goes
Yeah,
with
exactly,
like
10%
40.
of opacity, 20, 30, 40.
Oh.
So it's a very quick way to adjust the contrast,
Oh.
just using the keyboard shortcut.
Nice. Learned. Okay.
Yeah, giveaway is coming, it's coming. Stay tuned.
It's almost 4 o'clock.
So, Catherine, how do I add an album cover? I need to tap on
Tap on this.
I need to tap on this.
It will ask you to view your
Pictures.
the pictures on your phone, so you can pick the album cover.
So, do you know that we have a iOS UI kit or no? Yeah, we
I
downloaded
do.
it yesterday. Huh?
I
Yeah.
did it yesterday.
Yeah. So I wonder if in the UI kit there is the camera roll. Not sure.
Let me check.
Yeah, there is a.
I think it's
mobile,
this or
iPhone 10.
10.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, okay.
So this is something that you can download from the app. You do File, Open UI Kit. You will be redirected to the Apple website and you can download it. But I don't know if they did something with the camera roll. I'm not sure.
You mean this notifications?
No, or you know, like when it opens your pictures and. Yeah, maybe not.
No.
They did something with the voice. I see. Oh, actually, there was a
Siri?
waveform.
Where is it?
Yeah, there's a waveform.
Oh.
Oh, actually, we had one.
Oh.
Oh, yours is better. I prefer yours.
Yes.
Yeah, yours is better. No, I don't see anything.
No, I don't.
Not even the camera UI. No.
Let me check the other file. Not this one. The other
Yeah,
general.
I don't know actually what is the
iPhone.
difference with the other one. Yeah, let's open it and see.
Yeah, just check.
Oh,
here.
Maybe. You
No,
comment
I
free?
think this is the iMessage.
Oh.
This is iMessage because yes, you have the
Oh, you're right. You're right.
Right? iMessage app. Yes.
Good job. Okay, so they did something for iMessage.
And I don't.
Oh yeah, you have all the keyboards and stuff.
Yes, keyboard
Okay,
and
the textiles.
emojis.
Okay, this it's more like a style guide. This one. Okay, no problem.
But let me check this tab. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
and do you know the background blur feature?
I know.
Ah,
I like it. I used it.
I know you will use it.
I used it
Use
yesterday
it already?
here. But it didn't
It's very
show
subtle.
because
Very subtle.
I haven't
Because
had
it's
any.
gray on gray.
Yeah.
But when there will be a picture, then
Yeah,
we
we'll
can-
see it later.
we can talk about it again.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And also the object blur. That is also good. I mean, when
Oh, yes, you're
I'm
right.
using when we create the iOS screens, we always use Gaussian
Yeah.
blur
Gaussian blur. Okay.
in Photoshop.
Ah,
So
okay.
so that is something Apple use. So What do I say for now? I'll say I'll copy the style from here. And copy it. Okay. This is Adobe Live. Wait, okay.
It looks like Spotify now.
Oh, the green. But no.
And the black
Spotify.
buttons. Yeah.
Yeah. Save. Don't save. Okay.
Matthew says, today I tried to flip horizontal. Is there something like it? No, so not directly, but you can use the transform tool to
Oh, drag.
resize and directly go.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah,
That I was confused yesterday after
I remember
got home
that.
and-
So yeah, I can quickly show you. Okay, so let me use the pen here. If we do something like, wait, this. There we go, and then I just feel it so we can see it. So unfortunately there is no flip horizontal yet, so you can duplicate, Command D, and you come here and you have the smart guide, so it will stop, you see. Here it will snap, and then you select the two shapes and you can use the Pathfinder tool, or I'm not sure it's a Pathfinder, but you can merge them, add, so it becomes one shape.
Nice.
And again, it's not destructive, so you can come back and edit the points. So this is something that is actually awesome, is that if I add a shape here, and I want to subtract, what's the name? Subtract, yes. To create a hole in the shape. Again, this is not destructive. So if, I don't know, the art director like Catherine is saying, oh no, the hole is, the proportion is not good, you can still double click on the shape, edit the size, you see? And it will keep the Pathfinder properties,
Cool.
the subscription. And you can also choose to remove them. So here you see it's blue, because it says we're using subtract. But if I click on it, boom, it will remove it.
Okay.
And I still have my shape.
Cool.
So very easy to use. Don't hesitate to draw simple icons directly in XD. Of course, if you master Illustrator, you can use Illustrator, draw an icon and directly copy paste
Yeah.
it. It will work.
Actually, what I found last night is
Yes.
something very interesting. Let me just draw something randomly
Oh yeah, yeah.
with the pen. Okay. This is really ugly.
It's,
Okay, but that's fine.
A potato.
I'm not sure if this works, but when I double click, this will become a
Yes.
single point, and I double click,
Yes.
this will become like a. But
Exactly.
if I want to only edit one side,
Yeah, there is a shortcut.
oh, it's option.
job. It's option.
Press option, you can drag it everywhere. Oh, cool! And you can double click
click
to
and it
have
will,
it back.
Yeah, it will be.
Yeah. Oh, let me delete this. Sorry.
Yeah, the pen tool is very intuitive actually. You can
Yeah.
really master just with double clicking and the option key. Can be super
It's troll face.
efficient.
Yeah.
The troll face, yeah. Good point.
which is this one. Do you know what's this? I will tell you now.
What do you want?
This yellow box. I put this yellow box everywhere.
Yeah, you wanted to add a edit icon,
and
like
I'm
a
going
pen
to,
or something.
I'm going to do it now.
Is it a symbol?
Yes, it's a symbol. And I have some very cute little
you have icons.
icons.
Awesome.
I did it myself. Some of them are white, so you can see, but they are really icons. So what we're looking for is edit.
Edit, yes.
Where's edit?
And it's a pencil.
Let me sort it so we can. Oh yeah, here.
You found it?
Yay!
Wow, it's
Yay.
everywhere now. Because you use the symbol. Wow,
Yeah.
that's smart.
See?
Here we go. It's ready.
Our face is really professional now. And also, okay, I'm done with the
Nice.
confirm page.
So
Also,
if you didn't follow, I will show you what she used. So when you draw something, so rectangle or anything, if you open the assets folder and click on plus here, it becomes a symbol. And you see, maybe you cannot see, but here it becomes green.
yeah,
Okay, so green means it's a symbol. So if I drag and drop,
as well as
say
repeat
once.
red. I mean green.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
actually, yeah, good point. So and when you edit the symbol, so if I go here and start editing a symbol, you see it will edit it everywhere. Ah, it looks like dancers. Look, like Paul Trani with the socks. Like.
Oh. Oh my god.
It works well, huh?
Oh my god. Michael,
She's like, oh my god.
are you okay?
Okay, so it's time to give away some good old
Oh,
socks.
yay.
XD socks.
XD socks.
Okay, so be active in the chat.
It can be your nose when you're putting on your face.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, the pink.
Like this?
Yes,
Okay.
you're like a bird now. Birdie man.
I'm like a bird.
Yeah.
So yeah, be active in the chat, say something. If you are just watching, make sure to sign in, okay, with your Adobe ID and say something like hi or a nice comment for Catherine. And the script will randomly pick someone who has just been active in the chat. And you can receive the XD Socks exclusive content for winter.
I just use the Adobe Stock preview image.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you use it from the library.
Yes.
Nice. The preview. So what's new in this version?
Mm-hmm.
So let's say your customer, because if I zoom in here, you notice the Adobe watermark because you use the preview. Yeah. But let's say you have a big presentation in front of the customer and you say, okay, it has to be super clean. So you don't want the watermark because it will, you know it will it won't be professional. So what you can do is right click and license. So this is new.
Oh.
So yeah, so it will automatically launch the web experience for Stock. Do you have credits or no?
I have like 119.
Oh, you're good.
pages.
So we say license and save in Studio App. So I guess this is the name of your library. That's my guess. Say okay, saved, saving. Okay, let's go back here. You see it's syncing the picture here. And now.
Oh.
Whoop. So it removed the watermark and it replaced it with the high resolution version.
Nice.
And what's great is that if you use, so here we use the picture, but it could be an icon or anything, like any assets coming from Stock. And if you use it in 100 pages, 100 screens, it will replace it in the 100 pages.
I see.
You don't have to drag and drop one by one.
So this could be.
It's new from this week.
It's downloaded on my computer.
It's in your library.
It's
So
in my
if you open
library?
Photoshop now, you can drag and drop it. You know.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
So,
I can show you. Oh, you want to see something cool?
yeah, yes.
Can we show you something very cool? Can I do it here? Yeah. I can do now edit. So what's happening?
Oh, it's opens in Photoshop.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you like the grid because you have OCD. But so if I hide the, where is the grid?
no, I can,
Oh, you have the shortcuts.
yes.
Thank you. So now what we can do is use camera raw, and let's say we want to retouch the picture, okay? So make it more dark, maybe add some punch here, or maybe desaturate, or make it more vintage, you know? Yeah, something very soft.
This is good.
Okay, this is good. And maybe so we can we change the hue, okay, just so they understand what's happening. Okay, we change the color to something, yeah, like this, which is not very beautiful, but okay. Just need to press save.
Oh, it changed on XD.
Yeah, it's already changed. But what's cool is that this library, you can also share it with another designer. So you can have another designer working on the images, and as soon as it's saved in the cloud,
You got the
in your
image.
in XD, you
Oh, so when I'm doing my presentation and my designer is working on the image, and
you
I
can do that, or you just focus on the layout, you know, the user
Yeah.
experience, and they can focus on the images.
This is so good.
Yeah, it's very cool. And we have a winner for the XD Socks. Congratulations to Andre Sena. Ooh, Andre Sena, congratulations. Let us know, Andre, where you're from and what you will do with these beautiful XD socks.
Yay.
Where are you from, Andre? Now we want to know everything about you. You're from Brazil. Oh,
Oh, nice.
it's actually summer in Brazil. So.
Cool place. I use.
Do you wear socks in Brazil? Because it's summer.
I use a name in my album actually. Here.
Oh, Andre. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Awesome.
So nice.
Congratulations, Andre. Andre Sena. Oh, yeah. Like Ayrton Senna. Do you know
I
who is
don't know.
Ayrton Senna?
I don't know.
No, you're too young. Too young.
Yeah.
I'm so old. Andre knows.
Oh.
I'm sure he knows who I'm talking about. A legend.
Okay. Turn this to.
Andre is an art director right now, but transitioning to UI and UX.
Ooh.
Oh, awesome. Thanks for watching.
Nice.
It's good. You can get inspired by Catherine.
I'm glad that I can help. If you have any questions, just ask me.
Yeah.
I'll try my best to answer.
Yeah, don't hesitate to ask. And you still have 20 minutes to share your prototype for the contest and maybe get a chance to win a Creative Cloud subscription and impress Catherine with your design skills. We'll see.
I'll do another
Another icon?
another symbol. Yeah, another icon,
Okay.
which is this background and the script.
Oh, background music. And
Yeah, background music. I'll use this gray
Yeah.
together with the text.
Oh, okay.
So, boom. Wow, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, but
nice.
here we have white text So I'm gonna release it from the symbol.
Yes.
As well as here.
Yeah. You have to.
Yeah. Elsewhere here. Okay. I'm going to replace it with the white background.
You have the
music,
white
which
version.
is
Oh,
here.
perfect.
I got my icon library. Oh no. Oh yeah. Sorry. I'm in chaos. Yay!
Here we go.
Ah, what did I do? Mhm. 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 Nice. I think
Yep, nice.
I'm done with all of this. Yeah. And the next one is script. Since I think the white icon is more than the gray icon, I'll just replace with
I was
white.
about to suggest that, yeah.
Yeah.
So can you remind us what script is for?
Script is for when you don't have a book but you want to read, or you want to sing but you don't have lyrics. And
so
you can
load
have
the script on
the
the phone.
resources, the materials
nice.
for you. Going to put my gray script icon here. Speak of icon, actually, I talked about the daily UI challenge yesterday, about the 100-day consecutive challenge about create UI for every day.
Yes.
So I'm now doing a daily icon challenge.
Okay, so is it a change that you created, or it's also something that exists on the web?
No, it's just for myself.
Just for yourself?
I just don't want to stop practice. So
I like it.
Yeah, so if you want to, I mean, this is really good for you if you really want your skills to go to another level. Because 100 days is, if you keep doing it for 100 days, then on the 100th day, and you look back, you will see your progress. It's really achievement. So I do recommend.
So yeah, let me show you your Behance profile again, and already invite you all to.
Actually, I put my icon challenge here. Oh,
okay.
Yeah. This is one of some of them.
And the daily icon.
One is, yes.
Okay. So you are mentioning the daily UI challenge.
Daily UI challenge.
So this is a website where you enter your email and they invite you and they send you a theme every day.
It's like a free subscribe. And when you finish your 100 days, and it will, you can unsubscribe or do whatever you want, because they are really nice. The website is really friendly.
Terms of services. And then you are mentioning a change that you're doing for yourself.
Yes.
Which is a daily icon. So every day you would create a...
Yes.
So this is one day, or you just create one icon per day?
One picture is one day.
Oh, this is one day. Okay. Wow,
I mean, it really depends on yourself. If you want to increase any aspect of your skill, then you would say our daily login page challenge or daily pop-up window challenge. It all depends on you, but I would say it's really a good practice.
This is great.
Yeah.
Osvaldo, it's also something open, like the UI Design Challenge is also open for beginners.
Yeah.
It's all about, having an incentive to practice every day, and
Right.
the more you practice, the better you get.
Yes.
We had a guest on Adobe Live called Claude Pichet. He's based in San Diego, and he calls it betterment.
Oh,
Like improvement, but to get better. It's betterment.
betterment. Okay, that's nice.
And actually, we designed Live with Adobe XD a fake app called Betterment, where you set some goals, but it could be for anything. Sport or design. Yeah, and it
Nice.
would keep track of your progress.
Cool. Oh, I see. Okay, that's fine.
You can copy paste maybe from the previous artboard.
Oh yeah,
So you
I
you-
totally forgot that.
yes. The advantage is that you make sure it's in the same position.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the whole point. Okay. So I think I'm finished with these recording page. They look the same, but tomorrow I'll add the workflow on it, the flow on it, with the prototype on XD here. So at that time you will see how they will interact with each other. I'm gonna keep adding content to my homepage, which is the landing page of the app. I'm gonna use some of my photo stock here. Cool. Oh, you see the background blur here with the picture behind it.
Oh yeah, now it looks great.
Right.
Thanks.
I'm gonna drag the icon of my tab bar at you. Okay, that's fine. What I'm doing now is I'm going to break this grid because I want the middle part really pop out.
Okay.
So I want to enlarge it so that you know this
Oh, yeah.
is the
This is
most
where you are.
important thing. Yeah.
Oh, and the most important thing. I know. This is where you wanted to. You sketched a plus sign to add
Yes.
something. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and you have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left to submit your entry to the Adobe Live contest. So far, I received 7 entries. 8 actually. 8 entries. So you have good chances, but usually they submit everything at the end, and they wait for the very last minute.
I remember when you are with Amélie Lemon.
Oh yeah, Amélie. Yeah.
She reminds me of the ruler that XD doesn't have a ruler.
Oh yes.
But now I want to use it. Okay, that's fine. What is this? I would like to check. I'm on the voice page, so this is deactivate. This is the inactivated icon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Be careful. It's part of something else. You see.
Yes, but I'm just want to Yeah. I'd make it like in different status. Okay, let me delete this and keep adding some icons. Library is, I make these icons.
Oh, it's nice.
Very simple because I like everything to be simple, like minimalist. Add. Is this too big? I think it is too big, but let me change it later. Favorite and me.
Nice.
Okay. Oh, this is really too big. Okay. You know what I like the most key I press when I'm designing is the shift key when I change these numbers, because it's go with 10.
Oh, yes.
When you press shift.
Yeah, when you change the dimensions, also the positions.
Yes.
You press shift, yeah.
Yes.
You can iterate much faster.
Right.
Directly jump with ranges of 10 by 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
Looks good.
Here is another one.
Album name. Is it the like? This one? Which
Yeah,
one
this is a little heart.
Oh.
Which is this one. Boop.
Here we go.
Isn't this cool? Okay. I'm thinking maybe we can...
Matthew's asking to adjust the rectangles. Yeah, rectangles that you can use as a placeholders. So if you drag and drop an image,
you can also use
directly fit
ellipse.
Oh yeah,
circles,
like just as a placeholder.
Any other
any shape actually.
Shapes, but just keep it go well with your picture. I'm using this picture because I wanted to click on it. So I'm going to my, I think, yeah, okay. I'll put it here. And I'll put it in all of this background. Also, this should be changed to black.
Oh. Is it automatic? How does it work?
I just delete and add.
Yeah, but in iOS, do you know?
Automatic? I think it's,
Or the developer
yes.
can choose if they want the UI black or white.
Yeah, I think it all depends on your background color, if it's dark or light.
That's smart.
I don't know, I don't have iPhone 10. This might be a bad tutorial.
So I'm trying Uber and it's black. Do I have something?
Check,
okay, let me try Spotify, which is a dark UI. And it's white. Okay.
Right.
So maybe it's a setting also like of the developer.
Yes.
It's either iOS or the developer choosing. Okay, interesting.
Yes.
Yeah, I never noticed.
Right. Because you can see the time when it's black text on black background. You don't want it to happen. So we still have 2 track name. I'll put my app name here for one.
And UI show.
UI show.
UI show.
Okay.
Okay, you have 4 minutes to submit your entries. Keep them coming.
Yay! What did you said? Favorite? Yeah, favorite in black. I can't find it.
You don't have it?
I don't have it in black stroke, I think.
Oh, I think I saw it.
Oh, here, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. And also, oh, maybe I should use white because I add a black gradient on it. So,
Oh, yes.
So, this one, this one, it's D1. Okay. The second one is comment. And this could be share. Okay, and you said this is the time to play, but I don't have that for now. I'll just draw one with the pen tool. What did I do?
You
I deleted.
you want to draw it?
Yes.
Okay, you use a repeat grid, right?
Yes.
And you're happy with the space now. Okay, so select the grid and right click and just say ungroup the grid, if you can see that. Okay, so you might not be on the grid. Yeah, just say, okay, and right click, ungroup the grid. Okay, and now each item is independent. So if you go inside and if you delete this one,
Yeah.
it won't affect the other ones.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
So I'm going to draw a play button. Oh, I have a play button. But yes, I think I can use that. Just save time. Here. Cool.
Can you read what XZU is saying at the top?
Yes, it's finished. He's asking, is this finished?
It's asking, is it finished?
Yeah.
So not yet, XZU.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I don't know why. Gus was not. The Adobe Live team was not able to read it. I know.
Mm-hmm.
Is it over? You know. Yeah. Thank you,
Yeah,
XZU.
yeah.
So not yet. Okay, we're still working on it, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time to finalize it. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, Catherine, you made great progress today.
Yeah,
And
I really
we start reviewing the
did
entries in
not.
10 minutes.
Okay.
So maybe if you want to also at some point add some
yes.
prototype, some interaction so we can discover the flow.
Yes. Can we do the prototype interaction tomorrow?
Oh, if you want,
Because
of course.
I'm not ready for it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want you to feel ready.
Yeah. That's the point.
You'll be ready tomorrow.
I will.
It's 8:30 now. Wow, in the morning? Where are you, XZU? Where are you watching us from?
I think
You think China? No.
no.
Okay, let me check on the. Let me click on his
China.
name.
Oh, China is 8 p.m. I think.
PM.
AM.
Oh, AM. Oh, yes.
AM. Yeah. So I think
Oh, yeah, he's from China.
he is in China.
He's from
He or
Wenzhou.
she. He or she. She. I
She.
think it's
She.
Yeah.
She's from Wenzhou. Yeah, Wenzhou. Awesome. And I guess you're using a VPN. Because we're live on YouTube.
But good VPN because when I'm using the VPN, then the speed is really slow and I can't really open YouTube or Behance. So,
Interesting.
so you're lucky. I don't want to deal with these corners, so I'll just leave it here. Oh, do we have any feature that we can do it rounded like in Photoshop. You
Yeah,
can do it. You can
but
do
with
it
shapes,
rounded.
okay, let me give it a try. Okay,
Okay.
because if you draw like a square, for instance, then you have the rounded corners. Okay, but you want to do it with
With a shape.
the shape of a triangle. Purr, 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 purr. Okay, so let me draw a triangle very quickly. So here, no, I don't have the rounded corners. Okay, it makes
Okay.
sense. Okay, let me find a
Yeah.
trick. How
I
can
think
do
that would be. It's good to have that.
Does it look like a triangle? No. I'm trying to see how we can do that, but I'm having a hard time. Maybe you can do this, like this. You can select it, maybe you rotate it, okay. And here we go.
Cool.
And you have a very cool avatar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah.
That's all I can do for you.
Thank you.
That's it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Helps.
Michael. Really, from
Okay.
heart.
Cool.
Thank you. Okay. No. No, here comes a question. Oh, never mind. I'll just.
I'm trying something else, okay? Don't worry.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah.
I'm not giving up.
Feel free, please. I'm done with my shift key. Why? Why? Okay. I'll just do it one by one.
Okay, I know a way.
Mm-hmm.
But you have to launch Illustrator. Because you can in Illustrator. Like
Okay.
if we do, okay, let's say we use the rectangle tool. Okay.
Okay.
Then I will select one point and remove it. And I will close the shape. Here we go. So you have the rectangle.
Mm-hmm.
And now if I come back here, I can use this.
Oh, nice.
And now I can copy paste it in XD. Ta-da!
This is really good. I like it. Nice.
So
But-
there is a way, but it's a bit painful.
Yeah, yeah.
There is some friction in the process. Yeah, I agree.
I get it. I get it.
And in 5 minutes, we will start reviewing your entries.
Nice.
Okay, how many did I get?
Come on. Sorry for the noise. Add some gradients. Since we've chosen our green. What did I do? What did I do? Okay.
Okay, we got
Mm-hmm.
I, san, se, u, yo, ti.
7 is not good. No, I mean your pronunciation.
No?
No.
Oh, crap. How is it?
But that's its
I.
best for you. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
San
6
se.
are all good.
Ulio.
Yeah.
And after it's
T.
T.
Yeah. It's like CH.
Oh, T.
Yeah.
And I said T.
Nice.
Okay.
So this is really impressive, Michael.
I can even do something. Can I have the headset? Just trying something. Just for Catherine.
What?
Just for you. Don't worry.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ready?
I
一
think-
二三四五六七，我的朋友在哪里？在这身，在这里，我的朋友在哪里？你好
Oh, nice.
再见。
Cool.
Here we go.
How did you learn it?
Because I grew up in the Chinese district of Paris,
Ah,
so we had to learn.
okay.
Some,
How
Puton
much
Trois.
Chinese can you speak?
That's it. That was my.
That's how.
It's the top of
No,
my
I
Chinese.
think-
It's the.
Okay, I think you can speak more actually.
No.
That's-
That's it.
Oh, Michael. Now I'm really. You're another.
Now
person
tomorrow you
now.
need to sing a French song.
Okay, I'll try to learn.
Okay.
Okay.
You have 24 hours.
Okay. You're gonna teach me now?
I don't know. I mean, you go on YouTube, you go on Spotify, and you learn a French.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Oh my god, that would be hard.
Come on, you do the daily UI challenge. You do
Okay,
the daily
okay.
icon. You can do the daily French song challenge.
I'll do a 24-hour challenge.
Yeah.
Just for Michael.
Yeah, like you can do it, Catherine.
Okay. Oh, I need to save this gradient, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Poop.
Yeah, it worked. I see it here.
But
But
what's this?
what is this? Oh, maybe you had other stuff like transparent stuff or fill selected.
No. I only select the...
No, you select the artboard.
Yeah. Oh, it...
Yeah, so I think it took everything in the artboard.
I see,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, it did a great job.
Mm.
I mean, it's smarter than I thought.
Yeah, it's true.
Nice.
Yeah, you can come next to the camera, I guess. So it will look like the Adobe Live shot. Really next to it, like really.
Nice. Cool.
So Rodney, if you have a PC, you can use Adobe XD. Okay, we have like 99% of the features that are on Mac are also on PC. The only differences are due to the system. Like for instance, I know that you cannot record a video with your prototype, but it's because there is a native feature on Mac, which automatically installs QuickTime that we leverage in XD. And unfortunately, it's not on Windows 10. But for the rest, you can do everything that Catherine is doing on XD. And actually, Catherine could save the project and send it to a designer working in Windows, open it, and it will work. Okay, the screen looks great.
Mm-hmm.
Should we review some entries?
Yes,
Let me check
yes.
before if didn't receive anything else. Okay, we're good. Okay. Let's review some entries. So again, the theme of the day was in-car experience. So imagine we have a car And this is the dashboard, okay, on the right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this one is maybe an experience that we shared before, but I think they added some screens.
Yes.
So where do you want to go? This is voice recognition. Searching.
Oh,
Oh,
cool.
they are in San Francisco. Okay, who do you want to call? I want to call Enzo.
Nice.
Or play music. Not sure. Language.
Settings.
Some settings. Yeah.
Oh, language.
Some. Oh, there was some nice controls. Okay, I'm trying to.
Yes. What's that?
Bluetooth is on,
Really?
and of course you can change the theme also.
The theme
Yeah.
color. Wow. How many screens are there?
36.
Oh
so
my God.
a lot of copy paste. Yeah. This one. Okay, let me refresh just to make sure. And you see when I open the link, it says full screen here. So that's a new option that we introduced this week. So when you publish your prototype, you can choose to force open in full screen. So it's better for presentations. If you want your customers also or users to leave comments, you can activate it. And if you want to hide the hotspot hints, you can hide them now. So what do I mean by hotspot hints? It's here. If I don't know where to click, you see at the bottom here? That's the hotspot hint. So I know that I need to click here.
Nice.
So it's autopilot, okay?
Oh,
Oh,
I like the
Johnny,
layout.
phone.
it's really clean.
Wow.
Wow.
Adobe Stock. Wow, good job.
Cool.
Yeah. You can really use a lot of previews, okay, on Adobe Stock. You don't have to license a picture for prototypes. It's awesome. Very good use of Adobe Stock. Where do you want to go? Yeah,
Nice.
good job. Laura. Okay, okay. Let me refresh. Come back. Where do you want to go? And you say sushi restaurants. And here are the sushi restaurants next to you. Okay. Welcome. Hello, RS. Sit down and relax. Okay. Oh, you can save the settings. Okay, I see what you mean. What do you want to listen? Calling for help. Or LT. Oh, the radio stations.
Yes.
Ah, you watched yesterday's episode.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, good job, Laura. Andrew, now with the
cool.
tab navigation here. Yeah, very clean.
Nice.
Music, the phone. Looks nice. Yeah,
Cool.
reminds me a little bit of the Android experience we could have, with widgets. Yeah,
Cool.
it's good.
Cool.
Sarah, okay, Mommy's personal assistant. Mommy Laura, how can we help? Oh, I see. It's when you have your kid in the car and you want to keep the kid quiet, I think. So you can listen to music or visit the library, the daycare, the store. It's like a dedicated experience for mothers or for parents, I would say.
I see. Oh, this is very
branded.
Adobe.
Yeah.
Cool. Wow.
I wasn't aware that we were working on this, Adobe, but apparently we're working on the Adobe CarPlay.
Yeah.
Welcome, Catherine. So you have a map. Ooh.
I like the color.
Yeah, very classy. You can listen to music. Imagine Dragons again.
And the weather on the right up corner is really...
Oh, and here,
the icon is
very
really neat.
nice.
Yeah.
You can call Ryan Gosling. Hey, Ryan.
Oh.
Hey, Kelly.
Oh, this interface is...
And you can chat with
So
Ryan for
impressive.
15 minutes, over 15 minutes. And the status of the car.
Nice.
Wow.
This is nice. I like this.
What can I do for you, Catherine? This is what you said.
Cool.
Play Ed Sheeran. And now it's playing Shape of You.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Good job. I don't know how many screens there are, but yeah, it's a lot.
This is really dedicated art.
Sean.
Oh, this
Okay,
is
let's start the car. Vroom. Okay. Able to view what kind of motion. Music. Here we go with the waveform again. Oh, and that's the rear view
Oh, rear
with the
view.
camera.
Cool.
Nice. And you can also check, okay, tire
Nice.
pressure is low.
Nice.
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 Uber, so this is
Uber.
something we saw at the beginning. So this is for
So
Uber
start.
drivers. Let me
Press
update
to start
just in
is
case.
with your finger.
Yeah, fingerprint.
Open with your finger.
Welcome back, team. And you can directly speak and say, I want to go to Chinatown. Good job. Who's driving? Catherine, Adobe team, or Michael? Ah, you are driving. Good evening, Catherine. Oh, there was a quote to welcome you. That's funny. And oh, and that's it. Okay.
Cool.
So can we hide my screen just for a few seconds? I want to make sure I didn't miss. Yeah, there are two more. And after you have to choose. So we have Adrian, who shared directly the XD file. Adrian, unfortunately, I won't be able to show it. Sorry. And this reminds me something.
Oh,
Start the engine.
so
Ooh. Navigation, okay. The audio. Playing Bob Marley. And the contacts.
oh, this is good.
So Adrian, next time,
Yeah.
when you create a project with XD, you need to press here, Publish Prototype. And this is how it creates web experience, okay? So,
Nice.
Catherine,
Yeah.
you have to choose.
I'll choose the Adobe driving thing.
The Adobe one?
The previous one. This one.
It was this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try to go
This
back.
is really.
Oh, the
really,
CarPlay.
Yeah, this is really impressive.
CarPlay, okay, congratulations.
Yeah, I think.
Who was the author of this one? Okay, can you hide my screen? Let me try to identify which one this is.
I mean.
Andre? Oh, okay.
Oh, you're a good designer.
Yeah. Very good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, very simple. And you can call Ryan Gosling, which is always a plus. Thanks to Adobe. Good job.
Nice.
Oh, is it Andre Senna? Yeah. Oh. No way. He won the socks and wow.
Yeah,
Thanks for coming. Yeah.
free subscription.
Thanks. A good day, Andre.
Nice, lucky day.
Okay, let's go back to Catherine.
It's a present for your Christmas.
We're still live for 5 minutes together,
Okay.
so you can keep working.
Okay.
And tomorrow, so Catherine will be back at the same time. We also start the day tomorrow with Mark Ryzen at 9 a.m. Pacific time. If you want to know what time this will be in your region, make sure to check the schedule tab, okay? And there will be a new theme, a new contest tomorrow. And if you want to discover the theme in advance, then you can watch the replay of this episode because I spoiled the theme by mistake. So we have Mark Ryzen for 2 hours. Then we will welcome Zach London again. And Zach will be with Tom Kershaw, who is one of the founder of XD and one of in charge of one of the developer. And then Tim Hikes will be back with Paul Trani and Catherine again.
Yeah.
To finish this Vox application.
Box.
And tomorrow, so you will do the prototype. So we will connect the screen. We will share it with you. You can leave comments.
Yeah, I'll try to do something now. Okay. I'm just try it with very rough concept. So maybe.
Sorry, Ronnie, if I missed yours, but did I miss yours?
How nice.
Maybe not. Yeah, sorry, Rodney. So we will feature Rodney's because Maybe he wasn't featured.
Oh.
Just to discover another experience. Fasten seatbelt, drive safe, and watch for motorcycle. No. Sorry. Watch for motorcycles.
Motorcycles.
Yeah. Very dangerous. Motorcycles. Very fast, super dangerous. Be very careful. Okay, so you can click on the map. Yeah. Whoa!
Wow, this
Right.
is...
Google Map directly in the... And you can go to the Adobe main office in San Jose. Actually, we are in San Francisco, but that's the headquarters. What can I do? Listen to the radio? Okay. Listening, Adobe Live. Oh, thanks. That's fun.
Wow, this is cool.
Yeah, and look, front camera, we have exactly the same landscape in front of us and behind us. It's not easy.
We're on
Same sky and stuff.
endless way.
Wow. Thanks, Renee. And thanks for the nice feedback in the prototype. It was fun. Okay, how do you feel about the play button? Looks good, huh?
I like the play
Yeah.
button.
Works
This
well.
is really... This is also something I learned from my current job, which is trying to keep only one prominent element on your screen.
Okay.
Like if you have two buttons, then don't highlight them both
Okay.
at the same time, because you want users to have a focus. And and usually the most possible thing they are going to do next. So don't just highlight everything. Don't,
Interesting.
yeah.
Okay, it's almost time to say goodbye to our friends.
Yay.
Thanks for watching for all around the world, even if it's super late in some regions. It was awesome to have you. We had a lot of fun today with Catherine. It looks great, Catherine. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow's session because the app looks really, really good.
Yes, see our progress from yesterday.
Yeah, and maybe tomorrow we can ask for a new logo that
Yes,
will match
maybe.
with the new color theme. Okay, because now we have a better understanding of the UI, so maybe we will ask you to create a new logo tomorrow.
Yes. Yes.
Should be interesting.
Are we giving socks?
And we can give away socks tomorrow to the best logo again. Yeah, I
Cool.
think it makes sense.
Cool.
Okay, thanks everyone, and make sure to be back tomorrow. More UX design with our friends and guests on behance.net/live. And Catherine, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you guys
And
tomorrow.
work on your French song.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, bye everyone.
Yeah. Bye.